Hello everyone and welcome back to Mexmew. I'm Mex. If you're an Android user, you definitely have a Gmail account. But did you know there's one default setting enabled on every phone that allows hackers to breach your device in seconds? Over 80% of digital scams start with a malicious link sent via email. The problem is, by default, Gmail opens these links directly inside the app instead of your main secure browser. In this video, I'll show you how to close this security loophole to keep malware off your phone. Support this channel by clicking like and subscribe. Let's secure your data. Step 1. Change how Gmail handles links. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap the 3-line icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Choose General Settings, then scroll down until you find the option Open Web Links in Gmail. Turn this off immediately. Why? Because Gmail's internal browser doesn't have the same advanced security layers as Google Chrome or Opera. Disabling this ensures every link you click is verified by your primary, more secure browser. Step 2. Audit your Android system link settings. Malicious links can also try to force open other apps automatically. Open your phone's main settings, then go to the Apps menu. Select Choose Default Apps. Then scroll down to Opening Links. Find the feature Open Links and Apps and make sure it is disabled. This is crucial to prevent suspicious apps from launching without your permission when you click a link. And that's it! With these 2 simple steps, you've added a massive layer of protection to your phone and your personal data against phishing and malware. I'm Mex. Thanks for watching. Don't keep this information to yourself. Share this video with your family and friends to keep them safe too. See you in the next one.